Hey guys! Hello my sunny babes and welcome back to my channel. We are nice and zoomed in because I'm going to be trying a new primer. This came out about 3 weeks ago. Urban Decay came out with a new primer. It is called the All-Nighter Face Primer Long Wear Foundation Grip. That's a lot of words, but basically it's the all-nighter face powder or face primer. And I'm going to be trying it today. I'm going to be doing a full day wear test. And basically I'm going to try this out right now, do my whole face, and then I will go throughout the day, give you guys check-ins, come back at the end of the night and let you guys know how I'm feeling. So just keep on watching. This is what the primer looks like. It comes in a cute little bottle. Oh, it has a pump. Nice. So I will eventually put in here to read the claims, but this is what it looks like. I'm just going to apply it on my face. Okay, it feels like a moisturizer, not really a primer, which I mean I'm into, as you guys know. I love the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue, like a stage 5 clinger. All-nighter face primer grips your foundation and won't want to let you go. Our lightweight formula goes on sheer to perfect your skin, leaving it smooth, hydrating, and slightly lifted. I like to stick to things that aren't gonna make my skin look worse than it already does, you know? So that is on. It is not tacky or anything. It literally just feels like a moisturizer. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I'll definitely keep trying it. It says it preps, smooths, and perfects, which I think it definitely smoothed out my skin. So I am going to do my whole face. I'm going to report back and let you guys know how I'm feeling, and just keep on watching to see how I enjoyed this over the day. Alright, so this is all of my makeup on. I'd say my makeup applied basically the same way. I just used the Cover FX foundation, Essence concealer. I used the all-nighter powder because I wanted to see if it blended well with the all-nighter primer. And then I set my face with the rose water spray from Wet n Wild. So I just want to know, like, these are the same products that I've been using. So I want to see if this actually holds up my makeup or if it is just going to be like nothingness. So let's see. I will definitely do a check-in for you guys. Just keep on watching to see what I think. It'll probably be like 3 more hours and I'll let you know the time. The time is now 11 o'clock, so I have to go, but I will definitely update you guys. So bye for now. Okay, hi you guys. The time is now 11:16, which means that I've had this on for 13 hours almost, and I think it looks pretty good. Let's see what areas. I have not, oh, got an eyelash. I have not powdered or anything. Let's zoom in. I have not powdered or anything or touched up or blotted. I have some creasing going on here, but that's just normal. I do notice that I'm getting a little bit oily in this area and here. That's just normal. I did like, however, like how my makeup set on my face. I feel like it really synced in to that moisturizing effect, which you guys know that I've been really liking hydrating primers over my skin, because I just feel like in this winter it's like really working for me. My skin is really liking them. So I'm trying to think on if I'd recommend this. I think I would definitely recommend it. I don't know if it's worth it for the price though, is the thing. I do really like it. I just know that the drugstore has primers that are very good like this too. Like NYX has the Hydra Touch primer that's really good, that reminds me of this one. So I don't know if you guys are an Urban Decay stan though, you'll definitely really like this, because it does give a very nice like blurred soft effect, but it's just a normal hydrating primer. So I would recommend this. I would recommend it. I would say that it is a sunny side up for me. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. But also, if you don't really want to afford a primer that is this expensive, you definitely could find one at the drugstore, but I probably would buy this again. So you guys just let me know what you're thinking. I do think this looks really good for 12 hours of wear. So, or almost 13 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours, you know, But yeah, you guys, just let me know what you're thinking. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!